what's up?
Hey, girly.
How have you been?
Good. How have you been?
Not too bad. So, all right, show me your nail inspo. What are you thinking for your nails today?
This is what I'm thinking.
Okay, those are super cute. I love those. The pricing on those are going to be $135. Does that sound good?
What about these?
Those, they're going to be $125. What are you thinking?
Let's do a little bit something more simple. What about these?
Okay, yeah, those are going to be $115.
I miss the days when we used to have $25 sets. What happened to that?
I mean, I got something for you if you want a $25 set.
$25?
$25.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, bet. Let's do it. All right, guys, you know there's this big conversation online and friend groups, texting your friends, talking about why are beauty services so expensive these days? Why are the nail prices over $100? You know, I miss the days when nails were like $25 and now they want us to pay some outrageous prices. Well, today we're making this video to show you what $25 nails look like. This whole entire service took us around 30 minutes, which was super fast. And this is kind of what you would get for the $25 nails. And throughout the video, I'll explain why the prices would reflect that in the past. And I'm sure you could probably still go to certain salons that you can walk into in certain areas and find acrylic nail services that are still going to resemble those prices. Maybe it could be close to $40, but it would still be super affordable. But with affordability, there comes a lot of cons with that. So I just want to explain and enlighten why nail prices have increased and why paying a little bit more could be beneficial to your nails. Here we're going to pretend this is MMA and not EMA, but this is Young Nails in real life. So, you know, we ain't doing her dirty. But this is MMA going into the glass.
Oh, my nail's gonna fall off. Cool. Look at that. What is that?
What? Where is the things that I need?
That's so funny. It's like when you go and you ask like, this one's crooked, and they're like, no, that's your finger, and you're like, oh.
Okay.
You should have made a crooked one. And I would have been like, this one looks kind of crooked. And you would have been like, that's your finger.
Dang it, I did it too good. All right, we're going to make this look like it's used.
Oh, gosh.
We're going to make this look like it's really used, too.
Do you have any used ones?
I'm not going to use a real used one.
No. What I'm saying is, like, you could have it in, like, a little container of all the used ones, and then make sure you grab that one, obviously, but then grab it out and be like, okay. You know?
Goes in the trash. Okay.
I trust you. Don't worry.
All right, now we're just going to go in with this sanding band, not used whatsoever, and go in and prep the nails so the nails stay on.
What in the ratchet?
All right, perfect.
I ain't see no weight on my fingers.
Oh, no, it's going to be fine. It's going to stick. The retention is going to be amazing. Oh, wait, we got to put a little bit of primer. All right, these nails are about to stick like crazy. So for some of the salons that offer that lower pricing for your nail services, some of the reasons behind why the pricing is so low is because of the products used. So as I mentioned, we were using a fake MMA, which is a monomer liquid which you use to make the acrylic nails. So that is number one, illegal to use, but that's besides the point. A lot of walk-in salons use that. It is also way more affordable than an EMA monomer. So say you can get a gallon of MMA for like, honestly, I think like 20 to 40 bucks. And then if you buy EMA, which is what we're all supposed to be using on your nails, that can be up to $200 a gallon. So you see the price difference in that already. And then take into fact that all the tools used throughout your service also need to be replaced or cleaned. So there's like cleaning solutions that you have to buy, which can be up to $100 depending what you have. Your single use products like files, sanding bands, buffers, and such, which are supposed to be used one time and thrown away. But a lot of times they reuse them and reuse them on every client, which is one, unsanitary, and two, that is how they're also saving money because they do not have to replace them as often. So that also reflects in the cost of your nails, and which gets them down to a lower price point. And of course, the products used like gels and such, if they're buying the lowest end, it could be cheap. It could be dollars for a bottle. And on the higher end of gels, they're up to $25 a bottle. So that also goes into how the nails are priced as well. What's the lowest amount that you've ever paid for nails?
Like in my lifetime?
Mm-hmm.
Probably 25.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like when I was like in 7th grade.
I don't even remember how much nails used to be, honestly, but they probably were.
Actually, no, I'm lying. It was probably like 40.
I want to say that I paid
Yeah,
probably like $35 before.
Yeah.
Probably cheaper, but I can't really remember because I didn't really
You didn't get
think
your nails
about it.
done? Oh. No, my mom
And yeah, I
did,
didn't
so
really
I
get my
know.
nails done.
Yeah, like $40. And then in high school, probably like 55 to 65.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely remember paying $65
Yeah.
for nails, and I would get like a solid color or ombre.
Yeah. There was every once in a while I would get a design, but they weren't cute. Like I could probably pull up pictures.
And also, like, nail art's come a long way, I feel like.
Yeah.
So it wasn't like
they would actually. So
crazy
sometimes I
options.
would ask for nail art, and they would look at me like I was crazy. And I was like, okay.
Yeah, the craziest thing I ever asked for was an ombre with 2 different colors, like a white and a purple.
The craziest thing I asked for was these like stripes on mine, and they use like these stickers to like right do this. I was like, okay. I was like, whatever works. Whatever works.
So I see on social media all the time people in the comments of a nail post talking about, why were your nails so expensive? I never paid that. That is too much. And people are upset about the cost of beauty services in general, and especially when it comes to nails. But like I said, nails have come such a long way. And the things that people want, they want the Instagram nails. They want the creative nail art. They want all of that craziness on their nails. And that is not going to be $25. Usually these nail services are offered by someone that is highly skilled. They're a nail artist and they put love and dedication into their work, on top of using quality products and usually in a really good environment that you're receiving your service. While those nails may be expensive and pricier, there is a nail tech out there for everyone. Everyone has different price points available for different clients. So you have to search around and do your research and find someone that fits in your budget. But also, I feel like all nail techs kind of have a budget friendly option available, and people just do not want to take those type of nails because they'll be more simple, but they're still going to be high quality nails that look amazing, but they don't have all of the intricate designs on them. It is true that you pay for what you get, like $25 for these nails that took 30 minutes and zero effort, or you can pay $100 for nails that maybe take an hour, 2 hours, and have attention to detail. They're going to last you 4 weeks minimum, and they're going to look amazing and feel amazing on your hands, and you have nothing to worry about.
And these low-key look so bad on girls. Like, girls that like have very small like what is it called? Nail beds, right?
Oh, yeah.
Like, cause they like bite their nails or whatever.
Yeah.
These look horrendous, even worse.
Oh my
on people
gosh,
like that, and I'm like,
for sure, because there's no like.
There's nothing for it to grip on, and these already don't grip as we speak.
Ah! I'm about to start using these. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm like, you want white French tip? But
right, like, what are you gonna use these for now? Like,
absolutely nothing. Honestly, there's probably like a couple of people I will use one just for freestyles or something, like fun, just like doing old school looking nails. Another thing that helped us save on time and bring the price tag down to the $25 for these nails are the white French tips. We just simply put it on and then put the clear acrylic on top. It saves time and it saves money. These nail tips were from Amazon. They were $5 for a decent sized pack. I will leave those linked down below. They're actually pretty cute, so I think I will use them in the future, but that helps save on your whole service. Let me see this. I'm going to file this with my brand new nail file that is not used on previous clients. Put your hand just a bit. All right, let me see this hand. Here's my little rant about nail prices that I'll never understand is that, as everyone knows, everything has gone up in pricing. Everything has always gone up time over time. But when it comes to beauty services, people don't accept that. Like, they don't want to see it happen and they hate it. But I don't understand why it should stay the same price from 10, 20, 15 years ago, 5 years ago. Everything goes up a little bit over time. So the same will happen with this. And there should be no complaints about it, especially now when everything is a lot more expensive. Like, rent has gone up, products have gone up, to keep the cost of business overall is high. So it does have to reflect in the services offered on top of us making a living wage. So people need to take that into consideration when they are getting their services done and they think about the pricing of it. And we're good. You want any design today? It's going to be $3 extra if you want to add some design.
Each nail?
Yeah, we can do $3 for the design on each nail. So you want to do it?
No design, thank you.
No design? Okay. Outside of pricing, everyone hates how long it takes to do nails and they don't like to sit there for 2 hours to get their nails done. Well, this was 30 minutes and you can see all of the steps that were skipped for the nail service. We did not do any detailed prep, which will lead to lifting and your nails coming off within 2 weeks for sure. We did not clean up the cuticles, so while your nails may look cute, your cuticle area is going to look dusty and it's going to look like your nails have been growing out for already a week and a half when you just got them done and left the salon. These are things that take time and add that extra oomph to your nails to give them, one, longevity, and two, just to make them look beautiful. These are so good. I think you should leave with these today.
Are you going to take pictures of it and everything?
Gaslights you.
No, I don't know how people... No, because you know what? I've never been a friendship girly. So I never walked out of the salon with this. I'd at least walk out with like a color, but like this is...
I don't know. I mean, they're
kind of fire.
I love them.
Of course you do.
You know, people like hype you up when you get your nails done. They actually look like shit. I love it. I've done that before, honestly, in the past.
No, you haven't.
Not like since I've been out on my own, but when I used to work like in the salon, yeah. Damn, these go crazy. This is a $25 express, back in the day.
No cuticle oil, no lotion, no massage.
Well, I think you did still get that, so let's not cheap out now. We got the oil.
I can't.
And see, we need to get the detail shot of the cuticles because in the photo, once that oil goes on, it's going to look like it's clean, blended into the nail.
No, you know what the best part is? Is that my cuticles are actually so bad right now.
No, and literally, so it's about to take us 30 minutes to look at the cuticles. Do you want the corners rounded or we're good like this? You like this shape?
I think I like this shape.
Okay, perfect. We're all done. It's going to be $25 today and that's it.
Perfect.
It's not that
That's
big.
what she said. I was like, do you see the air bubbles in there?
Hey, puppy.
Especially once I get this nail special up.
What nail special?
This one, the $25 nail.
Look, she's like, what nail special?
That's what I'm saying. She doesn't understand the concept of what we're doing right now.
She'll understand. When everybody...
$25.
Yeah, these are the ones that like you would get a refill every 2 weeks because they fall off in 2 weeks, literally.
Just let me know if this feels uncomfortable.
No, it doesn't. You know, I'm not gonna lie. When I put my hand in here, it burned. When the peel off thing came on, I was like, that shit kind of hurts.
Oh. You know what? It burned my fingers when I used it too.
Oh.
I forgot. I've been using it forever. Have we ever done gel extensions before?
No.
Here we did use a peel-off base coat, so I am prying the nail a little bit. It's not causing her any discomfort, and it's coming off fairly easily. But if you were in a salon and you have your acrylic nails on, this is what they do. This is how they take them off. You do not get a soak off. One, MMA does not really soak off, so that's why they pop it off. And two, time is money. So to have a more affordable cost, you cannot be there for that long. So the fastest option is going to be the best option and the number one option that they are going to use. Now I'm going to show you guys a quick glimpse of how I prep the nails for every single service. This is customized to each client, so time may vary, but it will take anywhere from 15 to maybe up to 25 minutes. This helps with retention. This just helps with cleaning up the nail and making it look more presentable when we do the service. Nails usually last up to 4 weeks or more. It's on the menu. Partially how I gained a lot of my weight.
Girl, don't get me started. I'm supposed to be on a diet.
Me too. I was thinking about today, and I was thinking about today was gonna be day number 1 of no drinking, but
I leave drinking very limited.
yeah,
Like I won't come home and have a glass of wine kind of thing.
yeah,
And if I go out, like it's gonna be like on the weekend, I can drink one of those days.
yeah.
Not every single weekend and getting freaking plastered, but. And then I cut out sugar and soda, and juices and stuff like that. So just water. Not as much fast food, and that's also why I was like, okay, if I get dinner, it's not gonna be like fast food. It's gonna.
Good prep is essential for every single nail service. You want the customer to get the most out of their nails, and to get the most out, they have to have a great surface for their nails to stick onto. So take your time with this. Don't rush. Make sure that you thoroughly clean up the nails so that way you can have great retention for your clients. So while I'm showing you the prep of the nails, I'm not going to show you the application of the nails that we did. We decided to go with gel extensions. So the overall service took about an hour to an hour and a half, and it retails for $80 in my salon. We did gel extensions with a solid color and a little 3D top coat accent on the nails. It is one of my most affordable and faster services offered, and the nails last up to 3 to 6 weeks depending on the client's lifestyle and their overall nails. That is all for the video today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I was just having some fun recording this. But until next time, see you in the next video. Bye.